Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing and trying out the Stranger Things X Colourpop collaboration. I got these items for Christmas. I'm so excited. We're going to be trying out the eyeshadow palette, as you can see here, as well as the liquid eyeshadows. So let's get right into it. Here's the color layout. I love these colors. I actually was really struggling like what direction I wanted to go in. I love that they have this transition shade in here, so I'm just going in with that first in my crease. But yeah, I really love the color layout. I decided to focus on blue today, but I feel like you could do a really warm look. I am excited to continue to use this palette. So I'm taking this blue shade here. This is my favorite shade in the palette. Definitely my favorite matte shade. I love this color so much. So I'm using a tapered brush so that the color is a little bit more concentrated, and I'm really working on building up that blue because I want her to be the main character, honey. And now I'm taking this sparkly shade. I am spraying the brush, and I'm just focusing this on the outer corner because, you know, the main star is that liquid eyeshadow. But I wanted to put this down underneath, and then I was like, wait, I kind of want to smoke it out. Like, let's really take it there. So I took the matte black. Again, I love that they have this shade. I love that there's a matte black and like a matte brown transition shade. I am just showing that I'm going back in with that same blue shade to really build it up in case, you know, just it's natural to like lose those colors and whatnot. Now I'm taking this really light blue shade as a brow bone highlight. I mentioned this in a previous video. I used to do this all the time, and then I didn't really do it for a while, and now I'm bringing it back. Okay, 2025, we're bringing back the brow bone highlights because the brow bone highlight just is that girl. Okay, now I'm going back and blending, and I don't even think I added any more eyeshadow to that. I just went back and blended. Now here are the liquid eyeshadows. These are so freaking stunning. So I did swatch them, so you're gonna see one is like a blue and then one is like purple. Today we're using the more blue shade all over the lid. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with these. Don't get me wrong, you can create a lot of really pretty looks with the eyeshadow palette on its own, but the liquid eyeshadow is just so fun. So I'm really happy that I have this collection. Now I'm taking that matte blue shade again. I'm just putting it on the lower lash line. And then also taking that same light blue shade and putting it in the inner corner. So overall, I ended up with this like really pretty blue kind of smoky eye. I was so happy with how this turned out, and I'm excited to continue using this palette. Make sure that you're subscribed if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video.